Alan Nuckman of Agora Financial is good to go with his weekly options alert, and I mean really good to go. Thanks so much for coming on the show.
Hey, Ange.
Let's just first start with the market action. What's your trader talk here?
Well, tale of two Tuesdays. We've had a lot in between, but the market's bounced back once again. The S&P is about 150 points from that all-time peak, but we're above the midpoint pivot of that drop from the top. That's very important.
Let's take a look at your trade trackers because you've had some winners. This doesn't
Right.
happen all the time, but
Right.
what an amazing run you've had.
Yeah,
Let's start with Bank of America.
Yeah, the cleanup continues. Bank of America, we got out of the first half with a 55% winner. Last Friday, it went off the board, but we had a 12% winner, so it was better than loser. The market had sold off, still came out ahead there.
Exxon Mobil, what's going on with that trade?
Sold half of that last week on that Tuesday peak, made 50% there. Still have the other half. Now that doesn't expire for another 1.5 weeks, so we're looking for another rally to 80 and then beyond.
The big winner, Micron.
Yeah, the best trade of 2018. All right, not the best in percentage terms, not the best performance, but the way it went was amazing. So we had purchased the Micron options, the weekly options that expire March 16th, bought those on Monday, took off. So we had a 50% winner in that first hour of trade and got out of the other half for 112% winner in 24 hours. So that doesn't happen often. New highs there. What was really important is the stock went from 49 to 53. So a very small move to illustrate our strategy here. So a small move in the stock, but big boom, exponential moves in the option.
Well, I think a lot of people are taking a look at what's going on with technology and thinking chips have to go in everything, and that's
Right.
just the direction of where we're going.
Right, you've seen the technology, NDX bounce back, and that was a great move. Now, if it continues to go higher, I'm okay with that. So what? We made some huge profits in a very short period of time.
All right, your WPI trade trigger.
We had to do a bonus trade because we were out of our trade so quickly. So the new trade here is HP Inc. So HPQ, that's a stock that's been traded between 20 and 24, so that's target 28 on this breakout. It's a March 29th option, so it's an extra week of time there. It's 3 weeks. It expires the Thursday before the holiday. So it's the 22 call, and we'll look for that to make a move once again.
Finally, before you take off, let's take a look at your trading floor takeaways, starting with gargantuan growth.
Yeah, it's all about earnings. We keep talking about that. That's going to override all this nonsense that we see in the world. So 15% earnings growth for the quarter. Now that we're finished with this season, the next 3 quarters are 17%, 19%, and 20%. So the train continues.
And then you say price, not policy.
Yes, I always have to remind myself that there's opportunity, whether the market's going up, down, or sideways, that you want to focus on one thing, focus on the price. That's where the opportunities lie.
And then a little Tammy Wynette, stand by your plan.
That's the key right here. You've got to trust your tools. It's extra satisfaction when you can make some money when everybody else is worried. So it's been quite a month. Let's see if we can continue doing this.
And those tools could be anybody's plan.
Exactly.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.